In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a list in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step with precision and clarity, making it easy to follow along. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of options, but what you're looking for is the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're not yet logged in, enter your username and password. Make sure your information is correct and click through. After successfully logging in, you will land on the HubSpot home interface. From here, look for the CRM option. You'll typically find this option in the main navigation toolbar. Clicking CRM will bring you to the central hub where all contact management activities take place. This area gives you access to key functionalities like managing, creating, and organizing your contacts. On this page, you'll want to locate the Create Contact option. This feature allows you to add new contacts to your HubSpot CRM. Click on Create Contact, which will open a new window or section where you can fill in the details of your new contact. It's a good practice to ensure that you have all the necessary information handy before you start this process. You'll be prompted to enter details such as the contact's name, email address, company, phone number, and any other relevant information. Carefully fill in all the required fields with the most accurate data you have and double check for any typos or missing information, as these can lead to confusion later. Once you have entered all the necessary contact details, look for a Create button. Clicking this will finalize the addition of your new contact to the HubSpot CRM. It's as simple as that. Your newly created contact will now be available in your contact list, making it easier to manage and categorize your business connections. To recap, the process involves accessing the homepage, logging in, navigating through the CRM section, and entering the new contact's details. Remember, organization is key in CRM, and HubSpot helps you keep everything at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial on adding contacts to a list in HubSpot was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out for assistance. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more HubSpot tips and tricks. See you next time.